How I created a full-long YouTube video using only the free Grok video generator. Complete beginner-friendly guide. Creating long YouTube videos used to require expensive editing software, high-end computers, and hours of manual work. Today, AI tools like the free Grok video generator with the right strategy, you can produce professional, long-form videos using only this tool. No editing skills, no subscriptions, and no complicated workflow. It's a practical, truth-focused breakdown of what actually works and how you can do it too. Why Grok Video Generator? Most free AI video tools limit you. Short videos only, watermarks on exported videos, etc. But Grok breaks these limits by offering long video generation for free, AI narration included, scene-by-scene automatic video creation, no watermark, etc. However, the tool is only as good as the strategy and script you use. Many people get poor results because they don't guide the AI correctly. The steps below help you avoid that. How I made a free Grok video generator, step by step. Step 1. Choose a topic with real search demand. Before you even open Grok, choose a topic that people actually search for. High demand equals high visibility. Easy high-ranking categories. Money-making guides. AI tools tutorials. Fitness routines. Self-improvement, etc. Challenge to consider. Do not chase a topic you have zero knowledge of. Even with AI visuals, your content needs genuine insight to retain viewers. Step 2. Write a clear, simple script, 800 to 1,500 words. Your script is the engine of the entire video. Keep it clear, conversational, etc. Ideal script structure. Hook, 5 to 10 seconds. Short intro about the topic, 5 to 10 main points. Real examples or stories, etc. Step 3. Open Grok Video Generator and choose long-form mode. When Grok loads, select long-form video generation. Choose aspect ratio 16:9, perfect for YouTube, etc. Truth you should know, auto voice is good, but uploading your own voice increases watch time dramatically because viewers sense authenticity. Step 4. Break your video into smaller scenes. Optional, but highly recommended. Grok performs best when your script is divided into scenes. Suggested breakdown: 10 to 30 seconds per scene, 10 to 20 scenes for long videos, etc. Why it matters: better visual accuracy, smooth transitions, etc. Most beginners skip this part and end up with random visuals that don't match the narration. Step 5. Add voice narration. You have two options. Option A. Use Grok's AI voice. Fast, clean, professional, etc. Option B. Upload your own voice. More emotional, more human, better retention rate, etc. Counterpoint: AI voice is convenient, but if you want deeper viewer connection, human voice still wins. Step 6. Generate and review each scene. Click Generate Video. Once it processes, watch each scene carefully. Identify mismatched clips, etc. Small adjustments give your video a polished feel. Step 4. Break your video into smaller scenes. Optional, but highly recommended. Grok performs best when your script is divided into scenes. Suggested breakdown: 10 to 30 seconds per scene, 10 to 20 scenes for long videos, etc. Why it matters: better visual accuracy, smooth transitions, etc. Most beginners skip this part and end up with random visuals that don't match the narration. Step 5. Add voice narration. You have two options. Option A. Use Grok's AI voice. Fast, clean, professional, etc. Option B. Upload your own voice. More emotional, more human, better retention rate, etc. Counterpoint: AI voice is convenient, but if you want deeper viewer connection, human voice still wins. Step 6. Generate and review each scene. Click Generate Video. Once it processes, watch each scene carefully. Identify mismatched clips, etc. Small adjustments give your video a polished feel. Benefits of using Grok. Here are the advantages I experienced. 1. It saves hours of editing. Editing manually can take 5 to 12 hours. Grok reduces that to minutes. 2. Anyone can create professional videos. Zero video editing experience needed. 3. Unlimited creative freedom. You can produce documentary-style videos, motivational videos, tutorials, etc. 4. No watermarks. Many platforms force you to upgrade. Grok doesn't. 5. No expensive software required. You skip costs like Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, After Effects, etc. Perfect for beginners or small creators. 6. Helps small channels grow faster. Long videos boost watch time, session duration, which means faster monetization. Free Grok video generator. You can produce high-quality, cinematic long-form videos using only a well-structured script and clear prompts. This method is simple, cost-effective, and perfect for beginners. 2. Small creators. 3. Content marketers. 4. AI enthusiasts. V. Entrepreneurs. 6. Anyone looking to grow a YouTube channel fast. If you follow the steps in this guide, choosing a strong topic, writing a clean script, breaking scenes properly, and optimizing for SEO, you can easily outrank competitors and grow your channel with professional long videos. Need help creating a script or prompts for Grok? Just ask. Subscribe my channel and share this video if you learned something new.